Hello guys, good morning. So I hope you all are doing great. So as I yesterday told you, so today I will make video related to campus tour of NIT Rourkela. So this video will be only in English, okay? Because already uploaded in Hindi. So those who will not understand Hindi properly, so they can prefer this video, okay? And also in this video you will be able to see each and everything where I am staying, hostel and campus department, everything I will try to cover because today yesterday, so I will spend at least 1 hour, half an hour for this making this video, okay? So just enjoy. So just I'm starting from my hostel where I'm staying. So just I want to show you my hostel. This is the hostel, okay? So this is the MB hall. There is lots of hostel, MB hall, MS hall, so I will try to also cover it up. But so this is my hostel. It is the same everywhere, okay? So this is the MB hostel. You can see this is the A block, okay? This is the B block. You can see the front, and after that you will get C block, okay? So this is the part by part. If you want to, so when I was coming my first time, so I was totally confused when room allotted by the warden. So I was totally confused, but ask from the seniors and those who are staying previously in this hostel. So they told me just you go from this side, okay? So but everything is habituated with me, so okay. So just you see, just also I want to show you my rooms. Actually this room is made for only one student, okay? But due to some problem, I don't know why, because other hostel is vacant, but even they are not shifting a student to the other hostel. There may be some reason, I don't know, but this is a single room, but everybody is but staying two people, okay? So no problems, but you can manage, because maximum time you are spending in library classes, so only you are coming for only sleeping, okay? So only for, so this is okay. So just want to show you my inside the room. So just you see, this is the A329 A block, okay? This is my room. So just want to, this is the, if you I'm talking about other, if I'm compare with my room with other so this room is a little bit bigger size compared to the others, okay? So it's also it is a little bit comfortable for me, okay? So just I want to show you this thing. Just you see. So my senior, so he's sleeping, so I don't want to show him. So just you see, this is the bed, tables, chairs. You will get each and everything, so you can study properly. If you are coming from your classes and you want to study, then you can easily prefer this one, okay? So this is the really good, so those who are preparing, come and will get lots of things, okay? And also I will show you some video in means mess, canteen also good. And I don't know about up to till now, this is the good, but after what will happen further, so I don't have knowledge, but we'll see what will be happen. I will try to update each and everything, okay? So just okay. So this is the things. So I'm going or to the out of hostel, so you will see, okay? And also I want to make I want to tell you this thing, I don't have that much good communication skills. So but if I will make any mistake, please don't mind, okay? Because also I love to speak, so that's I'm trying to improve. There is a huge academic gap for me, so I was not speaking English fluently, because I also am not able to get means needed for me. That's why I was not speaking, but this time it's needed for me, okay? So that's why I want to speak in English. And also if I will make any mistake, please don't mind, okay? So just go. So guys, so just I'm taking my sleeper and I will go to out of the hostel, okay? Just see guys, this is in hostel. Just I'm coming to the ground floor. So just want to show you, this is the hostel. Also you can play whatever you want to do. Just also there is a level, lots of things. Also you want to do, if you want to play carom board, also you will get it. So just you enjoy. And if you want to watch anything, also this is available. So okay, so this is also available inside our hostel, okay? So this is the place where you can play, okay? So just see also, okay? So just I'm going out of the hostel, so we'll see each and everything, okay? Coming out of the hostel, so you can see this is the front of hostel, MB hall, okay? So this is the MB hall where I am staying right now. So you can see. Also I want to show you from the front, so you will get so you are able to see clearly each and everything, okay? So just want to, first of all I want to stop and then back. You can see this is my hostel, MB hall. There is lots outed me MB hostel. So you can see this is the hostels, okay? And also you can see there is lots of tree are available in our campus, so it's make beautiful, okay? Green campus, okay? You can see. you can see really just whenever I'm getting some I'm getting some depressed and anything, so just I'm come out of hostel and running there where, okay, so I'm getting some relax, okay, by roaming there where. So it's really green campus, so so this is the see. So actually na campus is beautiful, okay. If you compare to other NIT IIT na, you'll get lots it's a really beautiful campus and green campus. So whenever you feel any stress, then you come out of the hostel and just go there where you will get some relax, okay. So okay, so just so I want to take the bicycle, because also I will show you my bicycle, okay, cycle, okay. So just I'm going to take my cycle. You can see this is the cycle of each and every student. So those who are staying in this MB hostel, because without cycle we will face lots of invest lots of time to reach your department, okay. So that's why everyone is preferring cycle. So they might get they might be go easily to their department, okay. So you can see this is the cycle stand. You can say because in this campus any other means in bike is not allowed due to the some pollution, in NIT you will get each and every these things is happen in each and every campus in NIT. They will not allow you to bring bike along with you, okay. So you can see. So just I want to take my cycle, because next time bring my cycle along with me. So you can see this is the cycle. This is the old cycle, but I am taking from the senior, because he gave me a little amount, because why should I invest 5 to 6 thousand rupees for cycle? So just I'm checking. This is the good condition, okay. This is running good, huh? This cycle is if you compare with the other cycle, Ranger, so this is the good, okay. So I thought, why should I invest 5 to 6 thousand on cycle? So just I'm able to get from seniors, so it's okay, huh? So you don't need to comment, huh? Because without cycle you will face lots of difficulty to reach your department. So because it is time consuming, simply I want to say. So just I'm going to, and also want to show you this. If you will go this side first of all I want to go to the road, then after that I will show you, okay. So guys, I'm come out of my hostel from this side, okay. So I don't want to show you all the hostels, because if you go from this side we'll get a hostel means lots of hostel are there in this queue. So the just my hostel available MB, after that MS, HB, there are lots of hostels. So I don't want to show each and every hostel, so I want to show you some department. So I want to show you some other things, so related to department and other things, so which I will get it, okay. So this is your beautiful campus, green campus, huh? So today is Saturday, so holy days in Saturday in NIT means we will get 2 days off, Saturday and Sunday in everywhere, but so we'll have to cover all those things within 2 days what we have studied for the 5 days, okay. So okay, so guys, so just I'm going to this side, so we'll get to reach my department and any other things, so I will show you, okay. So you can see the weather is a good sometime the maximum time we'll get rainy, okay. This is the rainy season, okay, but this is the beautiful place and beautiful green campus. Simply I want to say green campus, okay. So you can see, so you will get everywhere means simply I want to say the beautiful campus. If you will come out of your hostel and just to go there where you will get some relax, okay, after walking for some minutes, okay. This is the place, okay guys. So I want to show you some department, so I am going to department, then after that I will shoot, okay. So okay, I want to show you whatever you want to do, whatever you want to play, okay. So there you can see, as you can see, there is lots of students who are playing football, and also we'll get swimming pool and gym. This places, if you go from this side we'll get swimming, and this is the gym, okay. So this is the gym, and also you can see lots of green campus, lots of trees available in this campus, so it's make beautiful, okay. So you can see, and also lots of senior are doing, lots of those who are interested to do gym, so they are preferring gym. Whatever you want to do, it depends upon either you can go for swimming, if you want to do with both also you can prefer, okay. For the girls I think so you are not allowed to enter at these times. So actually I don't have idea about the timing, what is the timing of boys and girls, so because I didn't come to do gym, so that's why I'm not able to understand what is the timing of girls and boys. So if I will get time, then I will try to enter inside the swimming pool and I will try to make video related to also. Okay, so okay guys, so just I'm going to department, so you have to be okay. So guys, I'm enter into department. You can see this is the department. Okay, I don't know which department is especially for which one, so but I want to show you each and everything. Okay, I will show you my own department, electrical department. So just you see, this is the department of just also, yeah, this is written so also this is the mining department. Also just want to go this side. Okay, first of all, then after that I will come this side. Okay, so this is the turning point. Okay, so also this, you can see each and everywhere we will get some motivational quotation written in every campus. Okay, also you can see this one: most important thing in this world have been accomplished by the people who have kept on trying to, there seem to be no hope at all. Okay, so also you can see this is the so this is the department, and also want to show you this side also. So you can go, this is the connectivity there is a connectivity by road. Okay, so if you want to go any campus, where you will get everything. Okay, so first of all I want to show you my own department. Also I will don't know how can I go each and every department, but I will go because at the end I will come out from the department. I know that these things, so I'm able to get know up to within 10 to 12 page. Okay, so this is you can say this is the also department inside this one. So everybody is cleaning. So just you see, this is a beautiful also you can see this is a very beautiful campus. Also you will get lots of it's green green makes more beautiful. Okay, greens makes more beautiful. So I want to show you my own department first of all. So this is the, I don't know where it is not written over there. So just you can see, this is I think this is the CS department. Okay, CS. Otherwise I will if you written, then I will show you. So you can see this is I think I don't know actually which class is going this in this department, but they everywhere this is the simply department. Okay, so it might be CS, it might be other mining, as I already said, it might be chemical. So so that's why. Okay, so it height. Okay, so first of all I want to cross it, then after that I will show you. Okay, also you can see this is the, I think, CS department. Okay, so this is the, okay, you can see this is the CS department, and I'm trying to cross this barrier. Okay, so first I don't think it will be crossing. Okay, it is crossing. Just I cross it, and I will show you each and every campus. Okay, it might be some, I don't, if I will not mention name, then you will get it. Okay, you will get it by Google, and everywhere is available on the these things. Okay, so I just want to be turn this side so to reach our campus. Okay, so you can see this is the good this is the everywhere if you can find green. So this see, so oh my god, you can see this side, this was the things I was saying, but I come out to this side for easily. Okay, so okay, I want to reach this building is for some special some official work, I think so. So you can see. Okay, so I don't know actually what is which specialization about this department, because I'm much habituated with my own campus, because I didn't go to any other campus. Okay, because only 10 to 12 days I am spending here, so I don't have that much knowledge. Okay, so you can see. So guys, this is the, so okay, so I'm going to go from this side, so I make so I can show you some other campuses. Okay, so I don't want to go from this side. Okay, so I don't want to go inside this campus because already I told you. Okay, I don't want to. Also, if you want to watch, then you can prefer my shorts video and other videos, so you will get it easily which types of construction is built inside this building. Okay, so you can see. So you can see this one. Okay, so okay guys, so just want to show you some other campus. So okay, so I'm preferring this road, so I can get it other campus. Okay, I don't know where I'm going, just I'm using there will be everywhere, there will be some connectivity. Okay, that's why I should not bother about anything. I will come out from any other gates. Okay, so that's why I'm going, just want to show you, even I don't have idea, but I want to show you something. Okay, so also you can see this is the this is also gate where you can enter where you can enter it and come out from this campus. Okay, so this is also places. Okay, you can see there is a lots of cycle are available, so you can see. So I want to prefer this side, so I will show you some other buildings. Okay, also देखिए campus limit is 30. Okay, so you should not be cross 30. Those so simply you have to avoid this one. Okay, so also you can see this side is, don't know which I think which is which also, you know, victory you will get now everywhere some positive quotation is written. So you can see the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. So no, just you can see. Okay, also this is the not aero means rocket, what is a fighter plane. Also you can see this is the fighter plane. Okay, so you can see this is the beautiful campus, and also I want to show you this thing. Okay, just you can see this is a place how I am looking. Okay, so this is the mirror. If you will this is the crossing na, everywhere you get crossing na, because in this mirror you will get who is coming from this side and who is coming from this side. So this is the, that's why this is the giving in front of us. So, okay, so just you need to utilize it and cross it properly. Okay, so I am going to, so you can see I will show you now this building. So this you can see properly this one from this side. Okay, okay guys, so I am going this side. So I don't know which campus is available from this road. So just I want to show you whatever I will get it, I will show you. Okay, also yeah, this is the SAC garden. Okay, SAC garden means na student activity center. Yeah, I was when I was searching for na campus video, then I am able to get this is the na student activity center. You can see this is the student activity center. If you want to do some any other extra curricular activity, then you come these places and just you enjoy. Okay, this is the student activity center. You can see this is a student activity center. You can, if you want to do some other extra things, this so this is the place where you have to come and just you have to perform. Okay, so you can see this is the, I think gate is closed, so I should not go. Gate is not locked, but I should not go because there may be some restriction. Okay, so okay, also you can see why should I go. If you are able to see each and everything clearly. So this is the student activity center. You have to perform whatever you want to do in your some other things, so you can come and just you have to do there. Okay, so okay guys, so just I'm going from these places, and then after that I will show you some other things. Okay, so okay guys, so I want to go this side. So actually I don't know what is this. Okay, just you can see this is also this is the places where is the hostels. No hostels, only some other things I don't know. I think canteen is written over there. Okay, so okay, I'm going this side, from this side. So you can also book a stationery. Oh yeah, I'm able to get it na. This is the building. Okay, this is the building na where I reported. Okay, this is the building where I come first time. I am able to get it. Actually na very confusing na. This is the places okay, actually where I come and give my documents, and they verified each and everything from this building. Okay, so this is the canteen. Okay, this is I am able to get it. This is the caloric canteen where you can get food. Okay, if you want to have something food and anything. So this is the canteen, so you can prefer it. So where I can when I'm come for first time I'm getting the food from these places. Okay, so simply you can see. So I'm able to get it. Okay, now I'm able to get it. So also this is the seminar hall. If you will come for first time so this is the place you have to come, and this is the place. Okay, so just want to show you from this side. I want to show. So such you can see this is the place where you can this Bhubaneswar Behera. Actually na written in when I was reporting na, then in the mention ki Bhubaneswar Behera, I was thinking about na Bhubaneswar Behera auditorium means I was. So I am going from this road. So I don't know which building I will get it, but I will show you something. Okay, if I will get it each and everything. So this is the very green full campus. Okay, you can see how it's look beautiful. Okay, so I think a tree and other green tree makes this campus beautiful. I think so. What you are thinking? Just you need to comment it. Okay, so you can see this is a very good places. If really you want to come, you are really enjoy it. Okay, so you can see from this side, and also I want to show you from this side. Actually, na, just see how beautiful it is. So I don't know which after if I will go this side, which campus I will get it. But if I will get time, okay, I will prefer. Okay, so I want to show you. So guys, just see, this is the main building of NIT Rourkela. Okay, when you will search on net NIT campus, NIT, then this figure will come in front of you. This picture. Okay, so you can see this is the NIT Rourkela. This is the main building of NIT Rourkela. So you can see this is how beautiful it is. So I want to show you some everything clearly. Okay, so you can see this is the main campus. This is the main building of NIT Rourkela. If you will search on any other YouTube and any other net, so you can get it this campus. Okay, so this is how beautiful it is. So I come for first time, so I was a little bit excited to see from my in front of my eyes. So this is the places where you can see NIT Rourkela. This is the very beautiful. This is the gate. Also I will go from this side. Okay, also you can see this is the there is lots of activity happening inside this campus. So actually I don't know because you don't have sufficient time to come and see all those things. So you can see this is also and then praying something for preparing for some other things. I don't know. So I don't know what is happening over there. So but there may be some extracurricular activity. That's why they are enrolling and they are trying to do something other things. Okay, so this is a very beautiful campus, guys. So just you want to show you from the gate. I will go from this side. Okay, this is the main gate of NIT Rourkela if you want to enter into the department. Okay, so just you see from there how looks beautiful. Okay, this is the very, so I will take some picture from there. So after that I will go from this side. Okay, so if I will get any other things I will show you in the. Okay, so already I captured the main building of NIT Rourkela. So I want to go from these places. If I will get any other other things in my road, in my journey, then I will show you some other things. Okay, so also you can see sun, also some sun is rising. Okay, so some heat is so a little bit some uncomfortable. Okay, so when that I will try to capture everything. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so guys, I'm able to get library. Okay, Biju Patnaik library. This is the place where I am trying to prefer this places always. Okay, so it will open after 9 o'clock, I think so. Today is not holidays, na Saturday, Sunday is chutti, so 9 to 6. Otherwise it might other days 9 to 10 p.m. Okay, this is the available. If you want to study, then you come this place, come to this place and enjoy. Always I try to prefer this places. Okay, so if you are coming from your cycle, then you need to park over there, and just you have to enter into this one. Okay, so this is the central reading hall, and okay, so this is the Biju Patnaik Kendriya Pustakalay. Okay, if you want to get some other books, any other things, whatever you want to get, say, then after that you come and just have to give your ID card, and then after that they will allow you to take book along with you. Okay, so this is the places. Okay, so just want to show you from this side. This is the cycle places. So really this is the very beautiful places. You come and enjoy, and you have to be study first of all, because this place is only making for study and whatever you want to do by your own side. So if as much as you can work hard here, there will be lots of opportunity available for you. Okay, so you can see this is the study room. So I hope you are able to see it. And actually this is the some central workshop. I don't know which building is what is happening inside this building. So see, this is the things where this is the things if you'll go this, if you cross this road you will get some other campus. Okay, this is it might be some computer science. Okay, so you can see this is the, I think which one is building science, I think metallurgical. I don't actually, I'm not able to remember I'm not able to see it which building is this is. So you can see actually na this each and everything. Okay, so okay guys, this is the really beautiful campus, and I hope you are able to enjoy it, this video. Also you can where everyone strive to attain their potential in NIT Rourkela. So this is the place na where you will get lots of opportunity. Okay, this is the department of mechanical the metallurgical and material science. You can see this is the department for metallurgical. Those who are interested in metallurgical, then you will go this, you will be allowed department for this campus. Okay, so you can see really this is a very beautiful places. You can easily enjoy it, and also I'm not able to cover it up each and everything, but I hope I'm able to cover up on my level best. I give my best from my own level. Okay, so I hope I'm able to capture each and everything, but not that much whatever is available in this campus. So I'm able to capture all those things, but whenever I will get the idea about anything, I will try to update, I will try to give you update of each and everything. Okay, so just guys, so I want to end this video.